We literally just passed a huge amount of trash back there.
Yeah. Yo, that leads to somewhere. And yes, no crap. Yo, dogs, bro, dogs. Yo, a trailer. Okay, we gotta be like really quiet now because we have like the opportunity to be like, you know, shot. So yo, that place looks like a dump, bro. That's crazy. Yo, that's crazy. I say that a lot. Why are you guys trying? Yo, we're at the road now. Yo, that's crazy. Also, you guys, this is a face reveal. Wait, Caleb, we should what, dude?
Like, grab boards and just start sitting down.